Hi guys, happy Saturday. I hope you guys are having a fantastic Saturday morning. I hope you guys enjoyed that breakfast recipe that I included in my intro of this video. This recipe I actually found on Pinterest, and when I usually find something that me and my family absolutely love eating and enjoying, I make this constantly. So this is one of the meals that we've been eating almost every weekend. And all it is some sauteed zucchini with some mozzarella cheese and either or some over easy eggs, or as you've seen, scrambled eggs on the side, and it is delicious. You got to try it. So that is why I included it in this video, because we love it, and then I hope you guys would try it and see how well you like it. But anyways, once we are done eating, we're gonna go ahead and continue with my Saturday morning cleaning routine. So the first thing that I do in my Saturday cleaning routine is I'll deep clean my stovetop, and then I'll move on to cleaning my cabinets as well, in case there is any type of like grease on the cabinets or food or any of that sort. And then of course move on to dishes. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to deep clean my sink as well, because you guys know that I home cook a lot, and my sink can get really dirty, and plus when I water my plants and things like that. So I didn't want to confuse anybody in case you do watch my videos and you notice that it kind of looks like my nighttime routine. But in this situation, it is Saturday, and this is what I do every Saturday, which I'll focus on 3 rooms, which is the kitchen, the living room, as well as my bathroom, just because this is the most traffic area in my home and where we spend most of the time in.
Of times through color glass.
turning on this fall farmhouse candle. I love turning on a candle once the area of the room is clean. It just makes it homey, smells good, and we're going to get to mopping. Now I know y'all are a bit confused on I'm using bleach into my water bucket. I hardly do that anymore just because, you know, I have really bad allergies, but I did add a splash of bleach into my mop bucket, and that is just because I love the smell, actually, just not too harsh on the chemicals. So I do add a splash just to clean and sanitize, deodorize my floors. It makes it look white and clean and sparkly. So I do only do this on Saturday mornings. I do not do it during the week or any other day, just on Saturday mornings. And I do open the windows once I'm done mopping just to air it out, as well as because it speeds up the process on drying my floors as well. Now moving into the restroom, I'm going to use this Lysol toilet bowl cleaner, as well as this scrub bubbles. I'm sorry, my words are not all here. And I'm going to spray this out through the whole surface and just let it sit there for a couple of seconds, because actually this is a really fast product. It gets into like just picking up the dirt and the grime, and then of course we're going to go back and start scrubbing.
was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through colored glass, time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
All we have to do is just sweep and mop in here and we are done. And then next I'm just going to include a Lysol toilet bowl cleaner and the scent mango, I believe. And I normally buy the blue kind, which is the original scent, but I wanted to try something different. And speaking of different, you guys let me know what you guys think of these angles of me sweeping and mopping. I am always trying to make my videos more fun and creative for you guys, but yeah, let me know what you think. All right, now, so last but not least, in the living room, I am going to Febreze my sectionals. After I fluff my pillows, this just to make it smelling good for the family and making it more comfy for the family as well. Just so we can get ready to watch another movie or maybe play a board game or even do our talks. We constantly spend most of our time in here anyways. And I don't want you to get the wrong idea of me not deep cleaning in here. I already did that. If you guys haven't seen my previous video, I will link it down below in case you guys are interested in watching, where I did deep clean my living room as well as my sectionals, because I did purchase this Bissell machine to deep clean my sectionals. But anyways, if, like I said, if you are interested, I will link it down below. And that is pretty much all we're doing in this living room, is just pretty much making it cozy and warm for the family and turning on a scented candle as well, of course, because that is what I do on a Saturday morning. Once I'm done deep cleaning my house, I love to turn on a candle. It just makes it more homey, like I said, and I just love that feeling anyways. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I also want to say pardon for my words not being here fully. I don't know, my vocabulary is just really short right now. Maybe because I haven't had any coffee. But if you found it helpful, if it was motivational in any shape or form, please thumbs it up or down, and that will further let me know what needs improvement. So yeah, I have nothing else to say except I love you guys, and I will see you super soon in a new video. Bye. Thanks guys. I hope you guys enjoy y'all's weekend.